Did you know that 60% of Excel users still rely on hard coding cell references in their formulas, which can lead to tedious updates and potential errors? Let's change that today by exploring the powerful indirect function, allowing you to create dynamic references that adapt to changing data. The indirect function, a game changer in Excel 2026 and later versions, enables you to reference a cell or range based on a text string, making your formulas more flexible and robust. This function is a breath of fresh air for data analysts and office workers struggling with formula maintenance. To demonstrate its potential, let's start with a simple example. Suppose we have a column of employee names and corresponding department codes, A2, A10. We want to create a dynamic reference to the department code for each employee. In cell B2, we can use the indirect function like this. Equals indirect, employee, and A2 and department. Notice the formula structure.